Perfumes are worn as fashion accessories to portray an individual's personality. With this fragrance composition, it is bound to add a uniqueness to your perfume. Continue on to find out more about the components. In a breathtaking display of a vibrant shade of purple, this large orchid releases an impeccable sweet fragrance that further emphasized its refined grace. To enhance the therapeutic efficacy in our fragrances, we have infused the scents of therapeutic orchids. These flowers aid in imparting a sense of comfort, while at the same time, they hold an abundance of medicinal values, which makes them effective remedies. Just like this therapeutic orchid. In Nepal, the stems are rendered into powder form and consumed to treat stomachache. It can also be made into a paste and applied as a poultice for the relief of headache. Widely distributed throughout India, Malaysia, and Indonesia, this orchid is mainly taken as a tonic and blood purifier. It is believed that it can treat eye infections as well. Moving on to one of the key scent notes in this composition. Oud, a luxurious and highly venerated ingredient in perfumery. It is often referred to as liquid gold due to it being one of the most expensive ingredients in the world. It has an extremely complex and distinctive scent, rich, powerful yet pleasant, invoking warmth, musky tones with hints of sweetness. This scent is beautiful for the depth it adds to any perfume. Oud has a deep spiritual history and significance and has been used since centuries ago for both sedative and medicinal purposes. It can be used to relieve stress, anxiety, or other emotional problems to aid in restorative sleep. It is also known to stimulate and clarify the mind, which helps in improving memory and learning. Other scents, such as bergamot, melon, spearmint, and aqua notes are also part of this composition. These notes are mainly added for a splash of bright refreshment to balance out the heavy woody hues. Bergamot carries a tart and bitter fragrance that has the vivid sunniness typical of all citrus fruits, yet holds a more complex scent with a tinge of floral spicy edginess and aromatic fruity elements. Used commonly in aromatherapy, bergamot essential oil stimulates the secretions of dopamines, helping to effectively soothe anxieties and depression while uplifting positive moods. Notes of oud adds a luxury edge to the fragrance, while splashes of fruity hues adds an unconventional touch to this woody composition, captivating us with its rich and sparkling scent.